During World War II, Cardiff Castle stood as a bastion of safety amidst the chaos of conflict. As air raid sirens echoed through the streets, the castle's ancient walls, which had withstood centuries of history, took on a new role as a sanctuary for the citizens of Cardiff. Cardiff Castle had been a place of strategic importance since Roman times. It had also become important for William the Conqueror and the Normans. And in modern times, Cardiff eventually became one of the world's largest coal exporting ports. Castles, which had been in important strategic locations for centuries, some of which that had long been in ruins, were used again during World War II. And because Cardiff Docks was one of the largest coal ports, it became a prime bombing target for the Germans. When World War II broke out in 1939, Cardiff found itself having to prepare for air raids. Between 1940 and March 1944, approximately 2,100 bombs fell here, killing 355 people. John Crichton Stuart, the 4th Marquess of Bute, who was the owner of Cardiff Castle at the time, was approached and asked if the strong perimeter walls of Cardiff Castle could be used as bomb shelters. Bute agreed. And so, ingeniously, the castle's exterior walls were modified to include entrances to these shelters, allowing for quick and safe access for thousands of civilians seeking refuge from the aerial onslaught. The tunnels were divided up into 8 large shelters, with the potential of accommodating up to 1,800 people. The shelters were unique in that they were above street level. Because of this, the exterior walls had to be broken through, and long wooden ramps were made to create vital access in the event of an aerial attack. When the sirens sounded, city residents and workers would rush to the shelters. These shelters were often extremely cold and damp. To function well in wartime, they were provided with dormitories and bunks, a small canteen, and a sick bay. There was also an air raid warden's post. Inside the castle walls was what was known as a barrage balloon. These massive balloons, tethered to the earth by sturdy metal cables, served as a deterrent to low-flying enemy aircraft, threatening to ensnare them in a web of wires. The Women's Auxiliary Air Force, or the WAAF, played a crucial role in the operation and maintenance of these balloons at Cardiff Castle. After the war ended, the 5th Marquess of Bute, in 1947, gifted the castle to the people of the city of Cardiff so that it could be enjoyed and experienced for future generations.